Okay, so let's start with the tests. I'm using the same sheet that I used to create the add-on. The only difference is that I am accessing it by another account. So I'm here logged in my Google Chrome account. My Google Chrome web browser is an account, and Google Sheets is another, to me to be able to allow the necessary OAuth consent that I need. So I'm going to select here Facebook Dash and going to start. This is in Portuguese, but this is the message that appears: authorization required, and a script attached to this document needs your permission to run. I'm gonna say OK, and this is the off consent screen. In this case, it appears the URL. Let me just make it bigger so you guys can see the whole ID. I don't know exactly what you guys are looking for. Don't know if this client ID or something else. I'm going to show the whole thing. You guys can pause the video and search for it. Something like this. Okay, now I believe it's the whole URL. And now I'm going to allow my this account that I'm using, the dash marketing at gmail.com, to let me see if the consent screen gonna appear. Okay, so Google hasn't verified this app. I need this to be verified. I'm going to say click here and advance it, and I understand that I trust the developer, so allow here. And the same thing goes here. The URL changed, so now this is another one. Let me show the whole thing so you guys can just pause it and I don't know, see what guys are looking for. I don't know exactly what this is. Oh, this is a big URL. Okay, I believe this is enough, but I need to see, edit, and create spreadsheets because it's a Google Sheet add-on. Connect to external services and display and run third-party web content is because I'm do some integrations with some data sources as Facebook ads or Facebook pages, Instagram insights. Those are some connections that I am developing, so I need to connect to external service and display and run third-party web app content that is the login of those platforms. And another thing that I need is to allow this application to run when you are not present, is because I have a function that triggers the report, triggers the script. The user can select where when the user wants to extract data from those platforms, so he can define a trigger, and I create this option. So I'm gonna click here, allow, and I believe this is it. So now extensions, Facebook Dash Iniciar. This is the home page, so do not have anything in it because I need to log with Facebook. I click in login, the pop-up opens. The Facebook already detected that I'm logged in with a Facebook account, so I'm just going to continue with my account. It set the permissions for my ad accounts. I allow all those options. Okay, save it, and okay, got it. Now, so I were having some problems here in the other account where I made the login, so it's supposed to this to be working, but it is not. So I'm going to just go back to the original sheet until I discover what's the mistake. But here's the same thing. I can log out. I'm just going to do this, so I click here and log out. This section that is the logged page will disappear. I sent to the user a dialog, a message saying that he was disconnected, so I can just close it, and the screen just refreshes. Now it's working, and I can make the login again. So click login with Facebook. The same process will happen, and I'll just see if I can just log in this account with no problem. In this case, in this sheet with that account with no problem. So yes, it seems to be working. Something's not working, probably because I'm using another account, but here is 100%. So I just log it out, log it in again, and it appears the username, the email connected to Facebook, and I can just select the add accounts related to the user account. Can select some kind of reports like the funnel, e-commerce funnel or lead capture funnels, and I just select the simplest one. The data that I want, the date that I want to make the report. So in this case, I'm going to say I want the whole October, so to October 1st to October 13th, that 31st, and the destination of the data, that is create a new. I can select the active cell like E7, or I can just create a new page that I'm going to use this option, and just click here in the bottom, extract data. So it's going to wait a little bit, but soon will appear down here a new page. Okay, already created page 24, and now in the page 24 I have all the information that I needed from October 1st to October 24th. That is the day that I'm recording this, and the whole information appearing here. And the last thing, I already show you guys why I need to see, edit, and create and delete Google Sheets. So it is because of this, to connect to external services and display third-party web apps, is to make the login and get connected by API. And now I going to go here to save the reports. In Portuguese is relatórios salvos. That when I can see all the reports that I made. So here's the first one from August, and here's the last one that I just made from 25th of October. In this case, it's not 25, it's because I'm getting the name is being created by a timestamp, ISO timestamp, so does not have the time zone settings correct. And here I can just click on the trash icon to delete it, or on the clock icon to schedule this report. I'm just going to do this, so clicking the watch, the clock icon, this pop-up appears, and here I can select the interval that I want to schedule. So I'm going to select every 6 hours, and just click agendar, that is schedule in Portuguese, and now it's done. Now this report will run automatically every 6 hours, or every X hours as the user selected. So this is basically the functionality of the app.